Lex is building a Python program that connects to an online service. Everything looks correct, so he runs the program. But after waiting for some time, Python shows an error. This error is called timeout error, and it happens when Python waits too long for an operation to finish. Think of it like this: Alex orders food from a restaurant. He waits and waits and waits, but the food never arrives. At some point, he stops waiting and leaves. Python does something similar. Many programs communicate with websites, APIs, databases, or external services. Sometimes those services respond slowly. Sometimes they do not respond at all. In this example, Python sends a request to a website. The timeout value tells Python how long it should wait. Here, it waits for only 1 second. If the server takes longer than that, Python stops waiting and raises a timeout error. This prevents program from hanging forever. One solution is increasing the timeout value. Now, Python is willing to wait longer before giving up. The good practice is handling the exception safely. Sometimes the problem is not your code. The website may be down, the internet connections may be slow, or the server may be overloaded. In those cases, waiting longer or trying again often helps. Whenever you see timeout error, check these things. Is the internet connection working? Is the server responding? Is the timeout value is too small? Most timeout errors are caused by slow or unavailable services. Alex increases the timeout, runs the program again, and everything works perfectly. Problem solved.